Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best rain floating wall frames, the Trwcrt 5x7 floating picture frame set of 4. If you're looking for a stylish and modern way to display your favorite photos or artwork, these frames might just be what you need. The Trwcrt floating frames feature a clever double-sided tempered glass design that creates a unique 3D floating effect for your pictures. This means your photos appear to be suspended between two panes of glass, giving a clean, contemporary look that adds depth and interest to any room. Crafted with a rustic MDF wood frame finished with a textured black finish, these frames combine durability with a sleek aesthetic. The wood is lightweight but sturdy, and the tempered glass protects your photos from dust, moisture, and scratches, ensuring your memories stay pristine over time. The smooth finish of the glass complements the rustic look of the wood, creating a balanced design that works well in a variety of home or office settings. One of the standout features is the flexibility of display. These frames can be placed vertically or horizontally, either resting on a desktop or mounted on a wall. On the back, they come with a hanging claw, making wall installation simple and secure. This dual functionality means you can switch things up depending on your space or mood. Beyond photos, the Trwcrt floating frames are perfect for showcasing not only pictures but also artwork, pressed plant specimens, illustrations, or even small landscape paintings. Their minimalistic design allows the focus to remain on what's inside the frame, enhancing the visual appeal without distraction. Measuring approximately 9.65 by 7.64 inches with a depth just under an inch, the frames are slim enough to fit comfortably on desks or shelves but large enough to make a statement. Each set includes 4 frames, which gives you a coordinated look when displaying multiple photos or art pieces. This product is ideal as a thoughtful gift too. Whether for birthdays, graduations, anniversaries, or holidays like Christmas and Mother's Day, these frames offer a timeless way to preserve memories and decorate spaces. In summary, the Trwcrt 5x7 floating picture frames provide a sophisticated, modern solution for anyone wanting to elevate their photo displays with a floating glass effect. Their quality materials, versatile design, and ease of use make them a great choice for personal use or gifting. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product insights.